Welcome to CyberWizKids. CyberWizKids is an online tutorial for kids, which will give you highly effective, efficient and interactive virtual learning environment. Learn about reading and writing of alphabets, uppercase and lowercase letters. Blend sounds and letters together. Rhyming of words. Constructing sentences. And many more. You can also enjoy our interactive games and activities, which will help you develop your reading and writing skills. These skills will give the young learners a strong foundation for their success. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join the class, because learning is fun. Here at CyberWizKids.